Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Volvo XC90. Hold on, I'm just trying to set up my playlist for after I... There we go. Alright, so I'll have to reset that. That sucks. 2018 Volvo XC90 T6 Inscription. But this one has 190,000 miles on it. So this video is more to see how is this thing stood up, how does it drive now. This one has, I think, the most amount of options I've ever seen on an XC90. Let me just hold on. There. All right, you're set up. Most amount of options I've ever seen on an XC90. Air suspension, Bowers & Wilkins, obviously the Inscription package, which leather's a little worn, but extremely comfortable. Leg extender, custom fitted arm rest. That's a joke, obviously. This sound system is absolutely next level. Third row. Under the hood is your twin charged 2-liter super and turbocharged 4. Although I have to say, I think it's pulling a little bit of timing. Occasionally it has absolutely no low end torque, and then occasionally it does. So I don't know what octane's in it. I don't know if it's always been run with 93 octanes. So with 190,000 miles, it's probably got some clogged injectors and stuff like that. But yeah. One thing, this Volvo infotainment systems take a ton to get used to. It's very much like an iPhone. So here's all your, took me forever to figure all this stuff out. All your different settings, your cameras, your park in, park out, heads up display, everything is all right here. Then you do this, that's your main mode. And then you have even more settings set up. And then you scroll down for even more stuff. And then climate, you scroll up. It is just completely unintuitive compared to every other system I've used. But once you learn it, it's easy. I've been in a ton of Volvos, so I kind of know it like the back of my hand. Your drive modes are here. So how the twin charged works is you have a supercharger for down low. Above 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, it converts to a turbocharger for top end power. And it kind of gives you the best of both worlds. It gives you that low down torque of a supercharger and top end power of a good sized turbo. I don't know the millimeter off the top of my head, but I'm pretty impressed with it. It's been a good car, and it's showing its age, but not in terms of driving dynamics. And the fact that the air suspension works after 190,000 miles goes to show that Volvos are pretty durable. I do not want to know the bill to replace it once it does break, but You do have those, even though it's the torque converter auto, you have those DSG farts on upshifts. Really, really good transmission tuning. Very good throttle position, throttle pedal tuning. This isn't a Polestar or anything like that. This isn't even a T8, even though I don't think T8s were a thing back in 18. It's a very, very good car to drive, even in a sporty manner. And this was absolutely not at all designed for that. But using it like that, it works. See, that was a situation there where I do think it's pulling a little bit of timing. But again, probably need to run a tank or two of 93 through it, wash out some of that 87, and then it'll probably clear itself out. There's no way these are the original spark plugs, because with 200,000 miles, I'm supposed to do spark plugs every 60 to 100,000. And I do believe these are direct injection, which will foul plugs much, much quicker. See, this is what I mean. I don't think it's going to recognize a spot. Because I'm pretty sure how it operates is with other cars. Yeah, no, it's not going to recognize one. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.